Hello Mzansi, welcome to Askhula Mode Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the red subscribe button. Igama lami ngiMprudence kanti Sibongo ngakangomane. Uyatrenda Mzwakhe Mbuli ngemva kokuthi athi i-Crown Gospel Awards was his idea, not the idea yaZanele Mpokazi. Uthi lena kwaba i-idea yakhe sukela asasemncane kanti thina sonke lesikhathi besathi ukuthi lona kwaba mbono wakhe Zanele Mpokazi. Bathi bantu ayibo wena usakhonanga nokutibamba ukuthi at least Zanele aqale anqethike kuqala ngikhani ukhuluma. There's no need kokuthi ukhulume umuntu asaqeda kushona kasengangqwatshwa nokungqwatsha wena nyalo so ufuna ifame ngeligama lakhe. Zanele Mpokazi guys said ukuthi bekagula ne-cancer and bamthandazela. Actually everyone was praying for uZanele kuma-social media platform. Everyone was just saying ukuthi gele uphile uphole ube right, but unfortunately uma sekusikhathi iqebo lakhe lingevinjwa wasishiya emhlabeni ngena uZanele and balabaningi basashaqekile even today beva buhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. They continue mourning for uZanele. They continue sending my messages to umndeni wakhe basho ukuthi vuvu and on the other hand uMzwakhe Mbuli and decided to keep her esgaxa, keep her a bomb and say ukuthi lena kwaba idea yakhe not yaZanele Mpokazi. So basically he was trying to say ukuthi bantu abangapraise uZanele or bantu anike Zanele i-credit imsebenzi lekungasiwo wakhe, but thina zonke lesikhathi besathi kuthini ukuthi i-Crown Gospel Award i-idea yaZanele. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.